Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. My name is John Violori. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for actually coming to my channel to learn something. I believe you're going to learn something today. So today's video is actually about a question someone asked after I shared a powerful way you can actually use to know the price points, the value of a crypto coin for a certain period of time, maybe 7 days, 10 days, 24 days, 24 hours or weeks, depends on your own variation. So it's very simple. All you need to do, number one is go to this website, nomics.com. I'm going to drop a link under this video, nomics.com, nomics.com, nomics.com. So it's a crypto market that just gives it actually predicts the value of a coin, the price of a coin for a certain period of time. So let me go straight to the point. I don't want to waste much time on this. So if you would have any question, you can always ask me on Facebook. Yes, I get a lot of feedback from people get in touch with me on Facebook, so we can actually connect and then ask me question on Facebook. This is my name, John Violori. I will also leave a link under this video for you to actually get easy access to contact me. So now let's go straight to what we have today, so which is how to determine the price points of our crypto coin. It's very simple. So once you so before you can use this platform, I've actually opened this site in an Ignito window. So now because this will be your first time in checking on the site, so you will need to actually give your consent that yes, you like to. You can say just click on no thanks, so you can that yes. There's actually a disclaimer on this site. Yes, before you can begin to see their own prediction. This site will give you the prediction of a coin, the value or the price points of a coin for a certain period of time. So if you're into crypto trading, you want to know the actual price of a coin within certain days, what it will be like, so you can either sell quick or you buy a coin. So this site will help you. So to start using the site, once you head over to nomics.com, just come over here. You're going to see something like this, unlock. So this unlock is just to get your consent. So it's going to, once I'm clicking on the unlock button right now, so let me click on it. So you can see, so it's going to pop an interface like this. So it's going to say unlock price prediction data. So it's going to be you're going to get a lot of data on prices of coins. So you just get just a kind of a disclaimer that you acknowledge that this data is not an investment advice. So you see, this price prediction should not be taken as a trading or investment advice. Investments and trading in crypto assets involve blah blah blah. You can see just the usual regular disclaimer. So I can actually cancel it. So you are going to acknowledge that yes, this data is not an investment advice. So once you click on that, once you acknowledge that, then you can now begin to use the site for to get your prediction for which coin, whatever coin. In fact, all the coins listed on coin markets, yes, you get them there. So let's see. So this is just the feature we need right here. You can see. So let's see. Once you hover your mouse on this icon here, so you can see you get a 7-day prediction of each coin, of every coin. So you can see. So you get price predictions. Below is the 7-day price prediction for each cryptocurrency listed. So for each asset, we show the price that our machine learning process believes each asset will be traded at 7 days from today, along with the predicted percentage increase or decrease. So you can see that these price predictions should not be taken as a trading or investment advice. No, actually it's just a disclaimer. But I've used these sites over and over and over again, and it has been giving, in fact, accurate data. At least 99% of the data is always correct. So they have a kind of an AI, a machine learning process that works for them and then predicts the price points, the value of a coin within certain period of time, but they are actually focusing on 7 days. So for instance, let me give an example now. This is Bitcoin. I believe you know about Bitcoin. So if you come over here, you see the 7-day price prediction for Bitcoin. So you can see the predicted price for Bitcoin in the next 7 days is that it's going to be set 10,6697. This is the actual price point right now. So there's going to be a minus 0.15% within the next 7 days. Yes, within the next 7 days. So prediction made, okay, sorry, this prediction was made 9/29, and then when the price point for Bitcoin was, okay, they actually made a prediction at so these dates when the price point was 10,683 blah. So you can see, and they predicted in the next 7 days it's going to be this. So you can see actually the price point is still at that same price. So that's all. You just just hover your mouse, your cursor on these icons for each coin you want to actually know the price points within the next 7 days, how valuable it's going to be in the next 7 days. So that's just what you need to do. Just click on here. This is Tron now. So Tron coin, I can just come over here and see. So you can see. So that's how you get. There's going to be a predicted change. There's going to be a negative decline in the next 7 days for Tron coin. So you can see. So you can actually take time and monitor before you begin to use it. Then check if it's going to work for you as well, and if the predictions are actually accurate as they claim. So that's all. You can use this website to get a prediction value of a coin, if it's going to fall, or if it's going to decrease, or it's going to increase within 7 days. So you can always use it. So that's all for now about this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I'll be sharing more quality videos on this channel. So thank you very much once again. If you have any question, you can ask under the comment section, or you connect with me on Facebook right here. Look, there's a link under this video to connect with me on Facebook. So you can actually connect with me on Facebook. Then we'll talk more and then relate together on making money online. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.